Hey, it's test drive time here at Maple Motors. I know this is a little different. This one's called the Cherry Bomb, though. Of course, it's a 2012 V-6 Wrangler. It's kind of funny. Anyways, you've got the winch in the front. It's actually really nice. Got good tires all the way around. There's a few little flaws because it is a 2012. It's not perfect. But man, it's got a good look, especially for a Jeep. By the end of this video, I'll be pointing out all the flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. We'll check everything out, see how it runs and drives. If you have any other questions by the end of it, we'll send you more information. That's what we do. All I ask is you hit that like button, subscribe. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Hey, we're getting ready to take off down the road. Let's check out this interior. Showing 152,000 miles on the dash. Blower's working. There it goes, coming right out of the fence. Checking out our interior. Winch control in the glove box there, back seat also nice and clean. Headliner does not look bad. Somebody added a little light here. Probably a good thing. AC's cold. Lights, wipers, turn signals, horn, windows. Now, if you're wondering why I'm checking all this stuff, because if it's broke, we need to know about it. You don't need to show up and be like, oh, the window doesn't roll down, you know what I mean? We don't do that here. I guess we're going to take off now because we've kind of looked over everything. You've got a little USB here. What's in the glove box? Pretty clean, looks fine. Yeah. Should play it. I'm sure the radio works. Definitely an aftermarket radio. It looks pretty nice, really. I just don't know how to use it yet. Play music. Working pretty good. All right, let's hit the road. See what else we can find. You're over there hiding in the corner. But we're going to take off down the road, just kind of make sure everything's good. Picking out the flaws is going to be the biggest part of this. But first, we got to at least make sure she goes down the road nice and smooth. And it does. I drove it to lunch right before this video. Speedo is coming up on the dash. This thing is straight as an arrow, as you can tell. It's not pulling all over the road. It has tight steering. Turn in there and there, floor it. Plenty of pickup. Engine sounds nice and smooth. Everything's working on the dash. I mean, suspension on Jeeps, they're never like perfectly smooth, but this one feels fine. I hit some dips in the road over here. Check it out. Now, I've owned one of these before, and I ain't even thought about this one. My wife's crazy about them. But I got a bunch of kids, so they can't all fit in here right now. We'll go ahead and pull over to the parking lot over here and light up the undercarriage. I want to show you that. We'll get a couple outside shots briefly, and then we'll do picking out the flaws, looking for scratches, dents in the body, and we'll check out some interior flaws if there is any. I haven't seen any yet. Well, yeah, I did. This piece up top where they changed out this, it's kind of loose. Hold your phone. It's not like coming off though, but it is kind of loose. But that's what I'm here to do, is pick out the stuff that's bad. Anything bad that I see. So yeah, we'll pull in this parking lot over here and run it up. We'll see what we can find, guys. Stick around, I'll be right back. All right, I'm just here for the party, you know, heading back to the lot. And then we're gonna be picking out flaws on this one. I already did it in the parking lot here. Just gonna place it at the end of the video. As far as running and driving, this thing's checking out pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and drive it back to the lot now, and then we'll end this video here. Hey, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit that like button. That's gonna help out my channel quite a bit. On the road again. One thing that I do here is when you turn the ignition on, the actuator makes clicks inside the vent. And it'll do it, I don't know, maybe 5-10 seconds, and then it's gone. You cut it off, put it back on, it'll do it 5-10 seconds, and it's gone. It's an actuator that's stuck somewhere. I've heard it before. I'll probably hear it again. Check these brakes. Brakes are quick to stop. They feel good. They're not warped. Seesaw. I've been waiting to see if this park's open yet. It's not. Dang. There's some good fishing back there. Getting a little cool outside, so it's catfishing weather. Yep. You guessed it. I like to catfish. That park got hit by a tornado about 2 years ago, and it hasn't been the same since. They blocked it all off, big tall fences, and now they're redoing it all. I thought it was getting ready to open. Bump in the road. Suspension even checks out, even in the Jeep. Guys, I'm pulling back into the lot. Again, I hope you enjoyed my videos, but picking out the flaws is coming up next. I did hear a little squeak from the brakes. It could be where it hasn't been driven. You may have a little rust or something starting to mess up on them. And the more you drive it, the stuff's going to wear off. So, yeah, you hear it? So I did hear a squeak from the brakes. But I've had brand new ones do that. They don't feel warped or anything, so we're all good. I do believe this is our gate blocker here. Yeah, you hear it? Squeak, 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 squeak. All right. Well, we're pulling back in. We're gonna grab another one, do another test drive. And of course, I'll see you in a moment. All right, let's walk this ride. We're looking for imperfections, dents, scratches, anything wrong with it. I'll just zoom in and show you. Why not? A little bit hazy on the headlights. You can actually clean those up. Little chips. Some upgraded, got an upgraded bumper. You've got the winch, the controller inside, lights in the winch. Little imperfections on the fenders here. Light scratch on the door. Tag's not mounted there. This is actually just a magnet tag. There's some little scuffs back here though. Not from the magnet. The magnet's got a piece of rubber on it. I hear an actuator popping up there on the vents. These always had a problem with the actuators making noises. Went around this side. Spots on the body there. Little chips here at the bottom. Scratch here on the side. A little flat there, could use some wax. Front windshield, got some light little chips. A lot of times these will take a little beating because of their flatness, but these look good. Clear coat's kind of coming off here. Let's check out that other side. Clear coat peeling there as well. Scratches over here. Little scuff spot there. Scuff on the door. Clear coat missing here on the bottom one too. Clear coat messing up top. Light scratches on the window here in the back. See them? Or scratch on the whole vehicle. I don't know what happened. They did something, didn't they? Looks like these were repaired in the back corners. Honestly, pretty easy to walk around too. Check everything out. Back seat. Still got my mount on here. I got to take off. Almost forgot. Seats are in great shape. A little dirty on that top. Nothing a little cleaner couldn't take care of. Door panels in good shape on this side. Seals look good. Seats in great shape there. Oversized TV, that little piece there, not exactly right. You can see how it's loose, but it's not coming off. It's lifting up a little. Actuator makes all kinds of noises. Door panel's in good shape. A little loose on the seat, but it's not ripped up. Your song's on, guys. Visor there. A little dusty. Engine's just running nice and smooth. V-6 Wrangler. Not a whole lot to look at there. It's pretty clean, a lot of plastic. Now the hood's got clear coat starting to come up on it. You can see it pretty much everywhere on the hood. So if anything, you'd have the hood touched up, then it would make all the difference. A little dent here from the inside somehow. Let's see, in that spot. Got dusty out there too, didn't I? Hey, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and share. I do these every single day. I'm always pointing out flaws, checking these vehicles out for you so you know what you're getting before you get here. If you got any suggestions, obviously we'll take that in consideration. Maybe use it in a future video. Also, don't forget, pick up some merch while we still have it. We have a whole lot of different designs. I always make a new design every year. And we've got holidays coming up, so it's perfect for your family, especially if you enjoy these videos. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.